I hope you are fine. Today we are learn about how to create Facebook page. First, we are go Facebook, then go here. Okay, go here. Go to setting and privacy. Setting and privacy is here. Okay, come back. Again go here. See more. Come here. Come here. See more. Again come here. Come here. Create two page. Get start. Page name. Okay. Technical support. Okay friends. Again next. Category. Search here for category. Digital creator. Makeup artist. No. Creator. Creator. Digital creator. Okay. I'm a digital creator. Again create. Okay. Create content with fine. Promote business. No, create content. We have you create about your business. For example, you have anything, you go here. Okay, something you buying something, you selling something, you make promote your product of service. You create. I am a creator, that's why I select this one. Okay, profile picture, no. Next, again next. These settings are on. Next, showing profile. Your page is ready. Okay, your page is ready. Technical supports. Okay friends, so easy matter.